Alaikum. Today we have topic of the scrubbing, gowning, and with OT protocol. So first we are going to see the video, check how to scrub yourself before start surgery. Okay, let's see the video. I am telling you the things which is important in this video. So watch carefully. So initially when you enter into the theater, you must wear the OT gown, mask and cover your head, and then you will start to scrub yourself. Look at this video. So again now see the video how she is preparing for the scrubbing, wearing. So you have to cover whole your head. There should be no visible hair, and sometimes you may use the goggles and mask and is necessary. So now look at this how you start to scrub it. Properly you wash with scrub. Usually we use pyodine, which is 10% scrub. Okay, so now see, so you start from this point. Initially you have to scrub your hand by using pyodine or any sanitizer which is available in the operation theater. Usually we use 10% pyodine solution for scrubbing purpose. Wash your hand clearly. Look at, clean your nails. Rub your nails with the sponge and use the soap, detergent or the pyodine solution 10% which is available in operation theater. So she's rubbing her nails, hands. Proper scrubbing is necessary to avoid the contamination of the surgery. Look at, she is doing very gently, and finally she is cleaning each finger separately. Look at, this is necessary. At least you have to do 5 minutes time, minimum 5 minutes time for the scrubbing. So look at each step carefully and follow these protocols during scrubbing. So she is cleaning now palms and dorsum hand of the hand, palm side of the hand and dorsum side of the hand. Now towards forearm. So she is initially cleaning his nails, then fingers, then palm, and then the dorsum of the hand, then wrist, and then she's going towards his forearm. So you have to follow this sequence. Look carefully towards the video. So now she is scrubbing forearm up to the elbow joint. So this is up to mark that you should include your elbow, okay, and lower part of the arm. So lower part of elbow, forearm, and hand. These things should be scrubbed. So again, we are repeating for the newcomers that we have started scrubbing nails, then palm, then back of the hand, then forearm, and then up to the elbow. So now she's cleaning with the water. So use this technique. Now she's moving towards the theater. So you should open the door with your back because it is not cleaned. So this is sufficient. Let's recall this again. So start your cleaning. Start from the hands. Look, she's rubbing his fingers, nails, cleaning nails, then palm, then back. Okay, so I repeat this video. Please concentrate. I open a Wise 2. This is antiseptic soap she is using, starting with cleaning of her nail, then she will rub his fingers, then palm, then dorsum of the hand, then forearm and up to the elbow. Okay, so listen and watch carefully. Look at how she is doing fine. She's rubbing, cleaning each finger separately. Okay, then palm of the hand, then dorsum of the hand. So at least time required for this whole procedure of the scrubbing is minimum 5 minutes. So look at, she is utilizing her 5 minutes. So this is the end point where you have to scrub your hand and forearm. Look at, elbow and above elbow means lower part of the arm. So lower part of elbow, forearm and hand. This should be scrubbed. This is important step. Look at how she is cleaning with water from hand towards the elbow. She is not coming back from elbow towards the hand. So this is proper way to do scrubbing. This is necessary whenever you have to perform surgery or you have to assist surgery. You need to do uh, scrubbing in this way. We will discuss at the end of presentation, inshallah, each step and the query which you will raise. I will discuss. So now second is how to scrub and gown. Second part of our presentation. Let's start. Now after scrubbing, let's see the video how she is gowning and gloving, then I will describe. you watch this video carefully, then I will describe each step.
हेलो
जी अस्सलाम वालेकुम।
जी सर, स्टूडेंट के कुछ मैसेजेस आ रहे हैं, उनकी वॉइस इनको सुननी है, वो समझ में नहीं आ रही इनको, वीडियो इनको ना।
वॉइस मैसेज आ रहे हैं इनके, मैं देख लेता हूँ। स्क्रीन में शो तो नहीं हो रहा कोई भी।
सर आप जहाँ पर बैठे हैं वहाँ पर मैसेज का एक चैट का ऑप्शन होगा, वहाँ देखें आपको सारे वॉइस नजर आएंगे। तो आपको मैसेजेस नजर आ जाएंगे सारे।
ये मैंने ओपन किया, इसमें तो नहीं है।
तो स्टूडेंट को आप एक्सपेंड करें प्लीज। इनके स्टूडेंट की ये कंप्लेंट्स आ रही हैं कि हमें वॉइस पे बताएं क्या है क्या नहीं।
ठीक है, मैंने ये कहा है कि मैंने इनको वॉइस पे बताना है, एक वीडियो देख लें तो मैं इनको करता हूँ, दोबारा शुरू कर देता हूँ। ठीक है,
ठीक है ठीक है
यहाँ से।
ठीक है।
ओके, इनको बता दें। वॉइस जा रही है ना मेरी?
सर मेरे पास तो आ रही है, उनकी बात भी जा रही है, मगर वो कह रहे हैं
ठीक।
कि हमें वॉइस पे बताएं जरा।
हाँ, मैं वो कह रहा था एक मरतबा ये देख लेना तो मैं इनको डिटेल बता दूँ। ठीक है, मैं कर देता हूँ इनको। ओके। सो now I will describe these steps of the scrubbing, gowning and gloving. So we have already see how to scrub. Now start, this is first phase of the gowning and gloving. So before going to wear the gown or gloves, you have to dry yourself, your hand with the clean cloth, which is OT technician or staff nurse will provide you when you will enter in the operation theater after scrubbing yourself. Okay, so now look at, she is cleaning each part of the hand, fingers, palm, dorsum, forearm, and elbow, and she is dropping out the used paper or cloth into the dustbin. So now look how she will wear the gown. So this is the gown. Basically this is open, inside is non clean area, outside is clean area. So now see how she is wearing this gown when she enters in operation theater after drying her hands and palm. So look at this, she has left the gown. Now she will open this gown. Watch carefully how she is unfolding the gown. So easily she unfold the gown and now she will wear. Look, this is, she is doing smoothly. Now assistant, which is present in operation theater, he or she will tie your gown from back. So remember, now back is not clean or sterilized area, because this person or assistant in OT has touched the back of your gown. So remember this thing during OT performing operation theater, when you have to change your position or when you have to move. So the back of the gown is not sterilized at present, because the staff nurse or the assistant in OT has tied with his hands. Okay, so front of the gown, arms, hand are sterilized while back is not at present. Now look how she is wearing gloves. Basically gloves पहनने के दो तरीके होते हैं ना, एक तो सेल्फ आप जो हैं वो ग्लव्स पहने, दूसरा विथ हेल्प ऑफ योर असिस्टेंट। ठीक है, तो लेट्स सी हाउ शी इज वेयरिंग ग्लव्स, हाउ शी इज यूजिंग स्टैंडर्ड ऑफ द wearing gloves. Look at, she's unfolding gloves. She is unfolding gloves, opening paper. She is not touching the gloves with his hands. She is touching with the gown. Look at her hands. Okay. She is touching with gowns, not with hand. Now she will assist his hand. Okay. Look at. Now slowly she will introduce her hand into the gloves while assisting with his second hand. Look at this again. So now she introduces or her hand into the gloves. Same way she will wear gloves to second hand. She's unfolding with gloves. Now your gloves is sterilized, so she can hold with anywhere and by any means. So this is self gloving. Other method is your assistant will help you in the gloving. Look at carefully towards the video. At the end of this presentation, we will discuss each step in a easy way. So look at how she dropped the sterilized gloves. Okay? Again. So look at how she is wearing. Again, the same method. Okay. Okay. Now she will not unfold the forearm part of the gloves is when she wear the second gloves. Okay. Look at the way she is holding the gloves. Now she will wear these gloves into the second hand. Then she will unfold the rest part of the gloves like this. Okay, inside, then this one. This is usually method we are using in operation theater. Look at assistant of the how he or she is removing his or her gloves. Look this video now how she is doing this. So this is the second way. Look at how she will wear the gown, and with the help of the assistant she will look the second way. With the help of the assistant you can wear the gloves or gown. So this is scrub nurse, which is already scrubbed. She has already wear the gloves. Look at again, she is drying his or her hands. Then same way she is wearing gown. But in this, the assistant or nurse is helping the surgeon or person which is gowning or gloving. So you see the second method of the wearing gloves with the help of the assistant. Okay, again look at, look, this is second method of wearing gloves. So in exam usually we ask how many ways you can wear the gloves. So one is self wearing gloves and other is with help of the assistant. So now look at, assistant is helping in wearing gloves. So this is very easy way, but this is for the second person or third person which is curved after the gowning gloving of the nurse, because first person which will do gowning and gloving, he or she have to do himself or herself. Look at now she's tightening the gloves. So remember, the front and arms of the gowns are sterilized, but in back you are still in doubt. Okay, so avoid the touching of the sterilized area gown. So you have all seen this video. Now come towards the discussion. Anything you want to ask? I am now opening the mic. Okay, so who will ask?
हाँ हाँ, लेकिन वो 30 बंदे लेके गए थे ना।
Anyone? Invitation, yes. Hello.
जी सर।
हाँ, तो अब पार्टिसिपेंट से क्वेश्चन लेने, अनम्यूट कर दिया आपने।
सर फिर सारे एक साथ शुरू हो जाएंगे। मैं चाह रहा था कि आप उनसे मैसेज पे क्वेश्चन मांग लें सारे।
मैसेज मुझे नजर नहीं आ रहा है यहाँ पे यार,
सर
चैट
चैट
बॉक्स पे।
का नीचे ऑप्शन दिया हुआ होगा ना आपके जूम पे।
पार्टिसिपेंट्स का दिया हुआ है और जूम, एक मिनट मैं देख लेता हूँ।
पार्टिसिपेंट है, पार्टिसिपेंट के बराबर में पूल्स है और फिर चैट है।
ठीक है, मैं देख लेता हूँ। पार्टिसिपेंट्स के बराबर में न्यूज शेयरिंग है, चैट तो नहीं है, सिक्योरिटी है, म्यूट, और ये मोर में आ रहा है फिर।
अच्छा, मैं माइक खोलता हूँ, आप एक वॉइस कर दीजिएगा सबको कि जो क्वेश्चन लेना चाह रहे हैं वो आप उनसे क्वेश्चन ले, ठीक
हाँ
है?
ठीक है, तो ठीक। अस्सलाम वालेकुम। Anybody have any query or question? Please, you may ask. प्लीज कोई एक बात करें, सारे बात करेंगे तो फिर समझ में नहीं आएगा। हेलो, चैट, कोई भी क्वेश्चन हो आपको तो चैट कर सकते हैं, फिर मैं देखता हूँ, तो फिर सिर्फ वही अनम्यूट करते हैं ना माइक।
सर आपकी क्लास एंड हो गई है, क्लास लेक्चर एंड हो गया
हाँ
आपका?
बस ठीक है, एंड कर दें, बंद कर दें, ठीक है।
ठीक है सर, थैंक